Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share my honest feedback about Yuva AI for all and also compare with Yuva and Jio Free AI Course since both are free and available in English. I will also share you one important update about the Yuva Free AI Course certificate from FutureSkills support team and how I personally solved the video buffering issues and the course incomplete problem even after finishing it. Hello everyone, I am RK. Now let's jump into our lab. I completed the Yuva AI for all course and here is my honest review. The content is very good for entry level. The AI engineers explained very nicely with real-time examples in a very simple way so that anyone can understand the concepts. It's a great initiative. If you want to register this course, I am sharing the link above. Please check it out. I completed the Jio Free AI course which you are seeing on the screen. If you are looking some AI course for free with more advanced along with the hands-on experience with some assignments along with the quiz, Jio AI free course is the best one. After completing the Jio Free AI course, you are going to get this kind of badge and it can be downloadable. If you would like to complete this course in our channel, total 9 videos are there. Each week 2 videos, one is for assignment, one is for week. 4 assignments, 4 quiz, 1 registration process. This is the registration and this is the week 1 quiz, week 2 assignment, week 2 quiz, week 3 assignment, week 3 quiz, week 4 assignment, week 4 quiz. That's it. Hardly around 1.5 hour content is there. It will really helpful to you complete your course. Trust me, many people based on this they already completed the course and still we have enough time is there to register it. However, this complete course in Telugu, if you don't know Telugu, still it is possible you can use the subtitles because it is a technical content. Most of the words in English, so easily you can understand, you can complete your assignment, especially quiz, everything is in English. I am sharing all these links on top. If you are interested, please look into that. Now let's talk about certificate update from FutureSkills Prime for Yuva AI for all course. I also sent an email to FutureSkills team after completing the Yuva course because many of you already finished this course but did not receive the certificate. As I mentioned in my first video, there is a clear mismatch between the central government publication and the actual course. Let me play that video for our understanding what I actually told. 10 minutes. Here they mentioned that certificate and no, but here you can notice that learners can earn a Government of India certificate. So this is officially posted. Here they are saying that certificate and no. So that's what I informed at that time. There is a discrepancy, right? FutureSkills Prime officially confirms that they are not providing any certificate. But honestly, forget about all the certificates. What it matters is what did you learn and how are you applying it in your daily tasks. That is most important than collecting the certificates. Now let's talk about buffering issue and course not completed issue. I noticed that sometimes the videos buffer and when you refresh the video restarts. You can skip back to the part you watched, but because of this even after completing the video it shows as not completed. So it will be something like this. You can notice, right? Even though I completed full course but still it is saying that 96.8% only. So when I am looking into the each and every section what actually it is missed, then I noticed that there is no green tick mark for this video. Then I played that video. Finally I got the right tick mark. Once everything is done it will be showing like this under the my products course will be completed. So you need to play the video again until it shows 100% as I showed here. Just make sure that video reaches 100%. That's all. If you liked my efforts, smash that like button. Your support always gives motivation to me and more energy for the next video. Share this channel with your one friend. That will help your friend and to our channel also. Thank you all. See you in the next video.